Translating the Hiphil inner causative. Now, what is the inner causative? Obviously, it's related to causative. What's happening here is that the subject is causing itself to do something, as opposed to a object external to itself. So it's causing itself, hence the word inner. Let's look at some examples. We have karav. Karav means to be distant, or literally, he was near. Okay. He was near. Now, there's an N there. Hikriv, in the Hiphil, if you want to translate this as an inner causative, it would be he drew near. Okay, he was near, he drew near, or he caused himself to be near, right? He drew near. Okay, so this is just the regular cal, and this is the inner causative translation for hikriv. He caused himself to be near. He drew near. Another example would be rachak, and this means to be distant. So it's kind of just the opposite. So he was distant. Distant. And hirchik, rachak, hirchik. This is the Hiphil now. This means to be at a distance, or to go a distance. Sorry, not to be at a distance, or to move. So I'm just going to write to move, because it's shorter. To move, or to cause oneself to go a distance. So it's causing oneself, inner causative. Now, when you look at a word, when you try to translate a word, something's not clear. Is it causative or inner causative? It could be either. You have to go with the context, and sometimes that won't even help you. So if you have a word like yatav, for instance, he was good. He was good. And then heitiv, this is the Hiphil form for a first yud. We'll come across those later. But we're focused on meaning here, not morphology. This would be he did well. He did well, or he caused himself to be good. Okay, literally, the inner causative. He caused himself to be good. But it could also be he made something else good. That would be just a normal causative. He did well would be causing himself to be good. He made X to be good would be normal causative. And if you look back at some of these other examples here, like the first one, he was near, okay, that's the cal. Hikriv, he drew near, but it could also be translated, he brought near, which would be bringing something else near. So that would be just a straight causative. So again, you have to take a look at your word in context to try and figure out whether you have an inner causative or just a regular causative.